Welcome to Healthscape. COVID-19 spreads primarily from person to person. Fighting this disease is our joint responsibility. Protect yourself and others by making those 6 simple precautions your new habits. Clean your hand often. Cough or sneeze in your plain elbow, not your hands. Avoid touching your eyes, nose and mouth. Limit social gathering and time spent in crowded places. Avoid close contact with someone who is sick. Clean and disinfect frequently touched objects and surface. Thanks for watching this video. Please do share and subscribe our channel because your health is our priority. Thank you.